Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Blink doorbell not connecting to Wi-Fi. So before troubleshooting this issue, we first need to understand why this actually happened. So all the Blink cameras required a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi internet connection. The cameras use Wi-Fi to send images and notifications so you can view them from the Blink application on your mobile device. At minimum, Blink system need a connection of at least 2 Mbps upload speed. Wi-Fi is also important for Blink cameras that need to connect to a sync module on the same Wi-Fi network. The sync module is the hub between the Blink app, Blink servers, and your camera. Without an internet connection, this data exchange is not possible. So the Blink Mini, wired floodlight, and the video doorbell do not require a sync module to function but do require a local Wi-Fi signal. So if you are facing any type of problem in your local Wi-Fi signal, then you just have to fix that first in order to fix this issue. After that, you can even try to update your Wi-Fi connection on your device, and you can even go through the general Wi-Fi issues that might occur in your Blink doorbell. Now, if any of the methods doesn't work for you, then what you can do is you can simply come to blinkforhome.com, and over here you need to just scroll down a bit, and in the main section click on contact us. After clicking on contact us, you will be redirected on the contact us page where you can submit a web ticket, or you can even directly call them on the given toll free numbers. So you just have to simply call them, or you can even raise a ticket, and you can even use this chatbot in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. So with the help of these methods, you can contact with the Blink customer service executive, and you can tell them about the problem that you are facing, and they are going to help you in this regard. So I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.